sorry in advance. My video appears to be really grainy for some reason, like there's specks everywhere. Sorry about that. That's not usually there, but I can't seem to get rid of it for some reason, so just gonna film with that on. Just wanted to address that's not usually there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. Nice to meet you if you're new. And today I wanted to do a quick BoxyCharm unboxing with you. Since my last video was eons long, it's the BoxyCharm review in case you're interested. I'll link it up here. But I just wanted to do something short and quick for a change. I just got my box a few days ago, haven't gotten a chance to film, so we're doing it now. And I also have a surprise. I actually have 2 boxes this month. I signed up on the wait list for premium like a month and a half ago, and I just got off the wait list, so I got a premium box to share with you guys too. And just so you know, BoxyCharm is a makeup subscription which costs $25 a month for the base box. The base box has 5 beauty products, generally worth a value of over $100, but you're paying only $25 for it. BoxyCharm Premium is $35 a month with higher end products, and you get 6 to 7 products instead of 5, with the box valuing over $150 or over $200 or something like that. Just wanted to clarify that. Before I get into the boxes, please do subscribe down below. I'd love to have you join me for more videos, and on we go. Also, I did throw away the physical boxes. I don't have them with me because germs. So I can see everything in front of me. Just a heads up, I'm going to start off with the base box first. So the theme this month is festival vibes. First product on my list is the Benefit Professional Face Primer. This retails for $32, and it is to quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. I have actually used this before. It was actually a really long time ago, so I don't know how I feel on this one, but we'll find out. I will definitely be using this, but it is a highly raved about product. A lot of people do like that primer. Next product I have is the Zoeva eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, this packaging though. So it says it's highly pigmented, easy to blend, and it retails for $28 regularly. But when they were packing these palettes, they said that you could get one of multiple variations. So my variation is the Caramel Melange. So this is the palette, A+ on packaging. This is gorgeous. This is the inside. It's very pretty. These are like really nice everyday nudes, but you could also use them to get glam. So I'm excited to use this palette. I really like those colors. It's very pretty. Not gonna do swatches today, but another time. Next up is the Hank & Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle. There are 2 beauty sponges which say are designed for all over liquid and cream application. They can be used wet or dry. Retail value is $20. I actually was in need of a new beauty sponge. It's been a while, so well timed. And I like that one of them is smaller than the other one because it can help with that under eye area. And these have a nice density to them. They're not too light, so I feel like they will do a good job picking up product. So that's that. And after that is the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush collection. This is a cruelty-free makeup brush collection with essential eye brushes for an everyday look, retailing for $30. So here's the set. I'm gonna open it and show it to you. I like that it's colored because that way you can distinguish which brush you're grabbing right away. Here they are up close. They are all different sizes. They are packed well. I feel like these are good densities for blending. I really like that they have an assortment of shapes, and there is one double-ended brush as well. So pretty good. I have actually already used one brush. This is like the tiniest little point brush. I used this to just fill in a few dots on my eyeshadow the other day, and I really like how it performed. It kept together while I was packing it on. Nice brush set there. I always accept eyeshadow brushes. And the last product in my base box is the Original Makeup Eraser in Sunset. This is a sustainable makeup remover. All you need is water to erase waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. It's made out of patented polyester. Retail price is $22. So here's the box, kind of busting open because I already took it out. But here's the actual towel. This is what it looks like. Double-sided. It's very soft. I've never tried this, but I've heard of it a lot, so I'm interested to see whether it actually does remove my makeup. I like the idea of not using makeup wipes. I generally don't. I used to, but now I don't. That's an exciting way for me to try taking it all off. That is it for the base box. Now I'm going to show you what's in my premium box. Okay guys, I have my premium box in front of me. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So it's the same type of card, Festival Vibes card, and let's get started. My first product is the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This retails for $38 and it's an intensely hydrating honey mask for a glowing complexion with antioxidants, which leaves your skin soft, supple, and plump. I've always wanted to try Pharmacy Beauty's products, however, they're just so expensive that I haven't. So I'm glad that I got this. I'm excited to try this out. I do have skin kind of leaning on the drier side right now, so I'm excited to see if this will help. Next up is the Kopari Coconut Face Cream. This retails for $38 and it's a lightweight moisturizer with fatty acids to help nourish, hydrate, and strengthen the skin's protective barrier for a more youthful appearance. I've actually been looking for a new face cream, so low-key excited for this one. Kopari I've heard a lot of good things about, and here's the actual cream. This is what it looks like, and it is tamper evident sealed inside, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, there's coconut oil in it. But yeah, I heard a lot of good things on this one. Excited to try it out. The next one is actually also a cream. It is the Lavito Age Away Replenishing Cream. It says that it's made out of organic plant actives, that it's proven to diminish dryness, wrinkles, and texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. Retail value $69. Pricey. Here's the actual product. This is a lot smaller than what I thought it was. This is half the size of the Kopari. Well, actually, when you look at the product, it's about the same amount. Don't be fooled. So this looks like a thicker cream, but it does say it's particularly for drier, mature skin. It's to firm the skin, it's for wrinkles. So I don't think I'm gonna be using this one. I'll probably end up giving this to my mom. I just don't want to waste it. So I think that's the best thing to do with something like this. Next up is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paint. I have it in the shade Waikiki Rose. It says it's a soft nude, feather light blurring matte velvet texture for long wear performance. It's non-drying and long wearing. So this is the shade I have, Waikiki Rose. It's a really pretty color. It's slightly pink, but not overly pink, so it could still pass for a nude on my skin. Retail value is $28. And the last product in my premium box is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. It says it's volumizing and lengthening to help you get a flirty fanned out effect. Smudge proof, flake proof, water resistant. Retail value is $26. We'll see if it's actually worth $26. Oh, I missed a product. My bad guys, I missed a product. This is the last product in my box. This is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This is a heat protected blowout spray which mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of a keratin treatment. Retail value is $32. Personally, I've never had a keratin treatment. I like my hair generally. But keratin treatments are these really strong protein treatments to help remove frizz. Usually they straighten out your hair and they make it a little darker. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know that keratin treatments are really expensive and you have to go to a salon for it. So for something to mimic that for $32, pretty good deal. For my box being $35 and just this one product being $32, that's a good deal. But I'm also really picky about hairsprays because usually the first ingredient is alcohol. It is also alcohol in here. But I have curly hair, wavy hair, so I generally stay away from alcohol in hair products because it actually promotes frizz and dries out the hair. So I don't know if I'll be using this. Maybe I'll give it a try, but maybe we got a miss on that one. And that is it, guys. Those are all of my products from my base box and my premium box. So overall opinion on the box this month, I'm gonna be frank with you guys. I'm not too happy about my box this month. Egad, I know. I signed up for BoxyCharm for makeup and I have told them multiple times I don't want skincare. Tools, okay, once in a while, but I need makeup. And I've received 11 products this month with the base box and premium box. Out of those 11 products, only 4 were makeup items. So in my opinion, I did not get my money's worth because in my base box, 2 items were makeup, the primer and the eyeshadow. So 2 out of 5 there. And in the premium box, all I have is the nude sticks and the mascara, 2 out of 6. Also, I have told them on multiple occasions that I absolutely do not want skincare because I have sensitive skin It's very easily irritable, and yet I still got so much skincare this time. Like these face creams, yeah, I'm excited for Kopari, but I can't use this. The hydration mask, maybe, but I have told him I want no hair products. So why is this in my box, BoxyCharm? I mean, I don't mean to be nitpicky, but if you're paying for something, you should get what you're paying for. And I paid for makeup, but I did not get as much makeup as I wanted. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that my premium variation was a ready-made variation to be given to any newcomers to Boxy Premium this month, because I've seen a lot of people, a lot of comments on YouTube saying they got the exact same premium variation and they're really disappointed because there's no makeup. And I wouldn't be this upset if they were not putting that much makeup out in their advertisements for this month, because for the base box they did advertise, you know, Dose of Colors lipstick and other things. And for the premium box they were advertising these huge eyeshadow palettes by like Manny MUA, Smashbox, like big things, along with those Natasha Denona blushes, things like that. And I didn't get any of those. Where are they? Not in my box. For that reason, I'm gonna say this month's box was a fail for me. That's about all I have to say on it. Hopefully next month's box will be better. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, please do leave a like and subscribe down below. I would love to see you back. And do comment below if you received a BoxyCharm box this month. I'm curious to know if other people got boxes matching their preferences more or not. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted. I hope you guys are staying safe wherever you are. I hope you're having a lovely day. Know that you're beautiful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. But yeah, that is all for this week. I hope you guys are staying safe. Know that you're beautiful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.